they're willing to learn. Do it just for the knowledge. You know, they don't set out to be successful people. They set out to learn. They set out to see what happens if I do this. They want to learn. They're obsessed with learning. They want to be better. They want to do better. It's like a game that they play with themselves. Every day they wake up wanting to be better than they were yesterday, and they're obsessed with their performance because it's a fun game for them. Life is kind of like a game. Like, you have to be willing to learn, fail, make a lot of mistakes, and adjust. The ones that can do that the best, the fastest, are the ones that succeed because they're the ones who get access to the new information and then who implement that new information as soon as possible. That's it.
For more astrology content, you may follow all of our YouTube astrology channels. The first one being at Intuitive Healing for Astrology 101, at Styled Under Libra for Love, at Astrology Weekly for horoscopes and manifestation, and lastly, at Styled Under Virgo for medical astrology. You may check out intuitivehealing.com for astrology readings as well as healing crystals, and make sure to check out our manifestation group on Patreon at patreon.com/intuitivehealing. Catch you soon on the next video.